Good morning, students. You are welcome in class physics 10th level, and the day is Monday, 6th July of 2020. We have already started the unit 19, and we studied about the power of electric energy, how we do consume, and how we calculate the cost of consumption, and we did solve some practical examples given in the book. Almost 5 examples we solved, and we learned how to calculate the cost of consumed electric power. Today, the topic we are going to start, that is 19.3, the sources of electric energy. This means that how we can convert the other form of energy into electric energy. Major, there are two types of source of energies. One is renewable sources of energy, and other one are the non-renewable sources of energy. Today we are going to study about the renewable sources of energies. The first one is the solar power, mean the light, the hydroelectric power. Hydro mean the water. In our Pakistan, the major source of our electric energy is hydroelectric power. Means that we construct the dam, and energy produced by the dams, that type of energy is used and produced by the water. Pakistan, thank God that we have a lot of water in our country, so we generate or produce electric energy by the hydroelectric power. Third one is the wind power. So let we define the renewable source of energy. Renewable energy is defined as energy from sources that can be replenished naturally. Mean that we don't need to produce, we don't need to recycle them. These sources of energy are from by nature. We just use this type of energy in different way to create, to produce, to generate electric energy. So we will study all these three type of energies, their efficiency and their cost and their environmental impact or effect. The first of all is solar power. I already told you that the light energy, that we convert it in electrical energy. All of first is the efficiency. Higher efficiency when there is the daylight and minimal cloud over. Excess energy generated can be stored or fed back to the power grid. That thank God our country the most of the weather is in our country is sunny, and we can produce lot of energy. In our country, days are also long, meaning solar days are also long, and from March up to the October, November, we have enough daytime, and our sun in our country, the sun is mostly it's remain over the sky, and we can produce the energy from sunlight. So efficiency we have studied. Now the cost, the high cost involved in manufacturing solar panel. You may have seen all around some big plates. These are called panels. So high cost involved in manufacturing solar panels, but cost of fuel, which is sunlight, is free. If we compare the manufacturing and the source available, if the cost of manufacturing of solar panel is very high, but on other hand, the cost of fuel is nothing, zero, because it is free from the nature. Environmental impact. Environmental impact. A form of clear energy, mean it have no reverse or adverse or negative effect on our environment. A form of clean energy, but require large area to be cleared for the solar panels to be installed. You may have seen that in your neighbors, in your areas, or it may have that you have installed the solar panel on your roof. On small scale, it can be easily managed to install the plates or the panels, but on a big scale, or to produce the electric energy on commercial basis, a big area need to be cleaned. It required a big area to install the plates. So efficiency, cost, and environmental effects or impact we have studied about the solar power stations or solar system. Next is the hydroelectric power. I have already told you about the hydro. Hydro means the water. We use gravitational potential. We let the water to fall from the height, and we start the turbine, and the turbine start the generator to produce the electricity. So Pakistan is rich in the water, but the problem is to store the water properly. We have not enough places to store the water. Where there we make the big lakes, it requires many kilometers. And some of the our political issues are there, that some province they don't allow to prepare the big lakes that consist of many kilometers. So there are some problems, although we have the dams, but they are very short, very small number. And till we couldn't prepare new dams because of some our political issues. So this source of energy, its efficiency is high cost most efficiency source of energy, as the water flow is concentrated and can be easily controlled. The high cost involved in construction the dams and power plants. Cost also involved in maintenance, as silt many build up behind the dam and block the water flow. You know that the biggest problem that rivers, while the water come through the rivers, the water bring too much dust or the grab along with it. Mud, day by day, our lakes filled by the mud also. So to clean the lake of consists of on many kilometers, it is very difficult to stop the dams and to draw out the mud. So it also require big cost, environmental impact, a form of clean energy but requires large area to be cleared to install the dam to meet the dams. A form of clean energy, but the building of dam is very difficult. Big area, I told you that many kilometers required to prepare the dam. And the last is the wind power. We use the kinetic energy, the movement of the winds. The kinetic energy is being converted, is being used to produce electrical energy. Its efficiency varies depending on the wind direction and speed. Its efficiency may not be a constant, because sometimes it is very fast, sometimes it becomes very low, and sometimes becomes zero. Anyhow, in many countries, this source of energy, the wind power, is being used to produce electric energy. The cost of the wind power is falling with the improvement in the technology. Wind energy is free, therefore cost mainly go toward the maintenance only. Environmental impact, a form of clean energy, but the spinning turbine produce some noise pollution and also requires large open area. To think that the spinning turbines, they gives out a loud sound, which itself is a noise pollution. Moreover, to put the winds machines, it requires a large open area, which is very difficult, not easy to manage. So, tomorrow we will study about the non-renewable sources of energy to produce the electric power or electric energy. So, thank you and God bless you. Have a nice day, students.